When you take a supplement to support your health, you are making an investment in your body. But have you ever stopped to wonder where those ingredients actually come from or who made them? In a market flooded with unknown brands and mystery manufacturers, cheap can come at a very high cost to your safety. Many people don't realize that supplement regulations vary drastically by country. In the United States, the FDA regulates dietary supplements under a post-market system, similar to how food is treated. That means supplements can go onto store shelves and into the general market without ever having to prove their safety, effectiveness, or legitimacy first. So basically, it's possible for anyone to make a supplement, put a label on it, and sell it in the US without proving its contents or safety. You heard that right. There is no pre-market approval of supplements needed in the US. The FDA only investigates after there is reasonable cause for concern, such as complaints of illness, death, or other harmful effects. On the contrary, in South Korea, it's a completely different story. Under the strict Health Functional Foods Act, the Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety enforces some of the highest quality standards in the world. Manufacturers cannot just launch a formulation with unproven ingredients. Every health claim and functional ingredient must undergo rigorous, evidence-based evaluation and clinical safety checks before it ever reaches the public. This is why choosing a reputable manufacturer is so important. It's also why Atomy partners with global powerhouse Colmar B&H to manufacture its supplements. Colmar isn't just an ordinary manufacturer, it's a premier world-class original development manufacturer, co-founded with the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Colmar's facilities hold prestigious international certifications, including CGMP, Current Good Manufacturing Practices, and multiple ISO designations. In fact, their top-tier safety standards recently earned a perfect no-action indicated classification from the US FDA and strict pharmaceutical-grade GMP clearance from Australia's Therapeutic Goods Administration. When you choose an Atomy supplement manufactured by Colmar, you are getting verified purity, precise dosing, and unparalleled safety that unknown brands simply cannot match. But premium manufacturing is only part of the story. The soul of Atomy lies in the integrity of its founder and CEO. His founding philosophy is simple yet revolutionary: absolute quality, absolute price. His mission is to provide high-quality, life-changing health products at a fair price. By cutting out expensive retail middlemen and leveraging Colmar's massive state-of-the-art production capacity, Atomy creates real efficiency. That allows Atomy to deliver elite-level wellness products to customers around the world without the elite price tag. Your health is too valuable to gamble on unknown manufacturers and unverified ingredients. Choose the safety, science, and strict standards of a brand built on absolute integrity. Switch to Atomy supplements to help protect your health and the health of your loved ones. Become an Atomy member for free with your sponsor's ID number. Then gain access to high-quality supplements and other products in the online shopping mall at atomy.com. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more of my health tips. And share this important information with your friends and family.